Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. All well? Everything is fine? Yeah. Shall we start the session then? 12th of July current affairs we are going to discuss today in the session. स्टार्ट करेंगे आज के न्यूज हाइलाइट से और देखते हैं क्या कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है आज के न्यूज में. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया परमिट बैंक टू यूज द रेटिंग ऑफ ब्रिक वर्क रेटिंग एजेंसी subject to certain conditions. So 2 years back, RBI imposed one restriction over the brickwork rating that they cannot provide the rating agency to the banking industry in India. That banks को वो rating agency provide नहीं कर सकते because of few irregularities they have found. RBI have found regarding the rating agency they have provided to certain bank previously like PMC or Yes Bank. So because of that, RBI imposed the restriction over time. Now RBI given the relaxation with certain guidelines that you should follow these guidelines. So we will be over to going to cover in detail about these the details that what are the conditions RBI kept over them. Second news is good morning, good morning, good morning. मैं थोड़ा सा न्यूज में फ्लो कर गया quickly. Second news is State Bank of India introduced online loan facility for the mutual fund. So if you have mutual fund investment, now you can avail the loan 24/7 online, completely digital. Just upload your document and avail the loan immediately. So State Bank of India introduced loan facility against the mutual fund unit via internet banking or UNO application. It will be available completely digital online. We'll talk about it in detail. Public sector undertaking bank pays 6,481 crore rupee dividend to government of India. There are four banks, those who made this amount. So do you know that total PSBs are going to pay how much amount of dividend? Total PSB, total public sector banks in India this year 2024-25 based on the profitability of last year, what is the total dividend which will be paid by the total public sector banks in India along with State Bank of India, that is 12 public sector bank. हाँ, approximately 18,000 crore है. Approximately 18,000 crore का dividend they will be paying, including SBI dividend. Yeah, approximately 18,000 crore. Correct है. Okay. So this is the dividend of four banks. आगे आएंगे डिटेल में बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर. Do not worry. REC Limited, which is one of the company acting as a nodal agency of multiple projects regarding the solar implementation or solar energy implementations in India, like solar rooftop, Pradhan Mantri Shaurya Ghar scheme. All of these schemes have their nodal agency as REC Limited. So REC Limited recently raised 31.96 billion Japanese yen through the 5-year green loan bond. So we'll talk about it in detail. Moody revised the outlook on Yes Bank, now moved from stable to positive. So Yes Bank got its status back as a positive bank, growing bank, fastest growing bank in the market. Now the stock prices are also going to grow up quickly. So Yes Bank now became a growing bank instead of a stable bank, that is rated by Moody. So Moody ने रेट किया है. ठीक है, तो ये हो गए आपके न्यूज हाइलाइट्स. इनके बारे में डिटेल में डिस्कशन करेंगे. एमसीक्यू रिवीजन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज देयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Consider the correct statement about IRDAI report regarding the non-life insurance companies in the recent time. Statement number 1, IRDAI registered under the Act of 2001. Second one is Devashish Panda is the chairperson of IRDAI. Both are the static data. Third one, non-life insurance non-life insurance companies reported 31.7% year-on-year growth in the gross premium in April to June quarter, that is quarter 1 of the financial year 2025. आंसर बताइएगा क्या करेक्ट आंसर है. जस्ट गिव मी 1 second टाइम. Okay. So statement number 1 is wrong. We know that IRDAI is registered under the Act of 1999. IRDAI started in the year 2000. Initially, headquarter was in New Delhi, then shifted to Hyderabad. Headquarter located in Hyderabad. IRDAI have seen the growth of 13.7% in the collection of non-life insurance premium in the Q1 of current financial year. And IRDAI chairperson is Devashish Panda. So this is the correct statement. Only option number 2. Okay. Next one. Which asset management company have recently launched नेशन फर्स्ट टूरिज्म इंडेक्स बॉन्ड? इंडिया का पहला टूरिज्म इंडेक्स फंड जो है वो किसने लॉन्च किया है? सो नेशन फर्स्ट टूरिज्म इंडेक्स फंड लॉन्च्ड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंश्योरेंस कंपनी? या टाटा कंफर्म है, श्योर है? अच्छा, यहां पर कल एक अच्छा डाउट आया था, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. सो विच एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी लॉन्च द नेशन फर्स्ट टूरिज्म index fund? Correct answer is Tata Asset Management Company have launched it. Tata Asset Management Company launched it, and the maximum weightage of 100% will be given to the hotel and resort sector. So hotel and resort sector will have the highest weightage in this fund, that is 32%, followed by airlines 19%. ठीक है, ये weightage हो गया. एक यहां पर आपके पास न्यूज था, that is NSE, National Stock Exchange, few days before was in news to launch India's first tourism index based on Nifty 500. So the companies which are listed under Nifty 500, most of them are tourism companies related to airlines, related to hotel industry, resort. So based on these companies, NSE launched few days before India's first tourism index. Now the question is, अरे भाई क्या हो गया? अरे वंदना जी क्यों मेरी क्लास में पीछे पड़े भाई? पढ़ाई कर लीजिए, पढ़ना है जिए तो. एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए बहुत सारे प्लेसेस हैं, यू कैन डू एट एनी प्लेस. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ लाइव चैट? हाँ, वैसे भी देयर इज नथिंग, नो यूज. हाँ, डूइंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन माय क्लास. The student those are there with me, they are not going to move anywhere. I am 100% confident. So instead of that, focus on class. You also study. Maybe you will stop reading GA from somewhere else. You will also continue from here. हाँ, चलो भाई, पॉइंट पर वापस आते हैं. So there was a doubt yesterday given by someone, and that was a very awesome doubt. It was there in the comment that sir, NSE launched the tourism index few days before. Then how Tata Asset Management Fund can launch the first tourism index when NSE launched it? I hope you are getting my point. So there was a news from the month of June that NSE launched India's first tourism index. Now question is, when NSE already launched India's first tourism index, how is it possible that Tata Asset Management Company can launch? So understand the difference. NSE launched India's first tourism index, the index which will be giving a clarity about the sector, that how the sector is growing up, coming down. So you will get a clear idea with the support of this index. And asset management company based on the index launched by NSE, and asset management company based on the index launched by NSE will be able to launch their mutual fund product, their ETF. So this index fund is a type of mutual fund which is launched by Tata Asset Management Company, actually based on the index which is launched by NSE. तो NSE का इंडेक्स यूज करके ये क्या लॉन्च कर रहे हैं? इंडेक्स फंड लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. So NSE launched index, India's first tourism index, and Tata Asset Management Company launched India's first index fund where we can invest. NSE ने इंडेक्स दिया है, ये इंडेक्स है, यू कैन गेट द आइडिया फ्रॉम हियर. Tata utilized the index and launched the fund based on that. I hope the difference is clear. Bolo yes or no? Yeah, clear? Difference is clear? Perfect. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं फिर. ये डिफरेंस था. And thanks to the person who have raised this doubt yesterday. Next one is who has been appointed as a convener of Advisory Council of 16th Finance Commission. 16th Finance Commission recently appointed one advisory council. The question is who has been appointed as the convener of Advisory Council of 16th Finance Commission. आंसर बताइए. पूनम गुप्ता जी हैं पक्का. पूनम गुप्ता मैम, पूनम गुप्ता मैम, पूनम गुप्ता मैम, पूनम गुप्ता मैम. चलिए करेक्ट आंसर बनेगा आपका पूनम गुप्ता मैम, who is actually the Director General of National Council for Applied Economic Research. So who is Poonam Gupta ma'am? Poonam Gupta ma'am is the Director General of National Council for Applied Economic Research. So correct answer will be option number E. That is A and C both are correct. Clear है? चलो आगे मूव करें. नेक्स्ट वन. थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़ना इस बार ऑप्शंस, because IBPS is going to play new trick for sure. Definitely IBPS is going to play the new tricks. The government has appointed whom as the full-time director in the 16th Finance Commission. Correct answer is Manoj Panda sir. So Manoj Panda sir को appoint किया था. Which of the following are the correct statement about the 16th Finance Commission? Yesterday also we have discussed the 16th Finance Commission was started according to Article 280 of Indian Constitution. Article 280 of Indian Constitution. Dr. Arvind Pangadia, former Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog, NPCI. No, Arvind Pangadia sir was the former Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog के former Vice Chairperson थे Mr. Arvind Pangadia, and they need to submit the report till 31st of October 2025. So this is a correct statement. Niti Aayog at present the Niti Aayog which we have, it is 16th. Sorry, the Finance Commission which we have at present, that is 16th Finance Commission. So current Finance Commission is 16th Finance Commission. This Finance Commission need to submit the report by 31st of October 2025. So the recommendations given by current Finance Commission will be implemented from 1st of April 2026. These dates are important guys, extremely important. So whenever they will create a little bit difficult question, they will create based on these dates only. Next one. अगला point देखिएगा. Consider the correct statement about BRICS Parliamentary Forum 2024. 12th edition of BRICS Parliamentary Forum was started in St. Petersburg, Russia. Is it? Second one is theme of Parliament. This forum is role of Parliament. कल मैंने ये बोला था role of Parliament याद कर लो आप. Mr. S. Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs, will represent India in Indian parliamentary delegation. So, Indian parliamentary delegation will be led by S. Jaishankar sir, who is the Minister of External Affairs. What is the correct answer? Point number 1 is it is the 10th edition of BRICS Parliamentary Forum which is going to be conducted. Second one is correct. The role of Parliament is the theme of 2024. Third one, Mr. Om Birla, who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha, is going to represent India in this parliamentary delegation or in this parliamentary summit. The Indian delegation will be led by Mr. Om Birla. We have discussed the news in detail yesterday. These parliamentary forum were started, and this is from 2014 onwards, and this is the 10th edition. Which of the following is not a permanent member of BRICS group? So Bangladesh is not the member of BRICS group. How many members do we have in BRICS at present? Where the summit will be conducted in 2024? Where the summit will be conducted in 2025? So parliamentary summit will be 10th edition, but the original, the main BRICS summit will be 16th edition of BRICS summit will be conducted in 2024. That will be conducted in cousin Russia. 17th edition will be conducted in 2025 in Brazil. So summit of 2024 is in Russia in the month of October, right? How many members are there in BRICS? Total 10 members हैं. Previous 5, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Apart from that 5, the new 5 which have joined from 1st of January 2024. So important for the examination: Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia and UAE. What is the name of that member? Those who skipped at the last moment. बोल रहे थे ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं, ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं, ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं, बस में बैठने के टाइम पर मना कर दिया that no, I am not joining. So which is that last member left at the last moment? So correct answer is Argentina. Otherwise there could be 11 members in BRICS. तो BRICS में हो जाते 11. अर्जेंटीना ने लास्ट मोमेंट पर मना कर दिया, फैल गया अर्जेंटीना लास्ट मोमेंट पर. क्लियर हुआ पॉइंट? चलिए आगे चलें. सो आते हैं होमवर्क के क्वेश्चंस पे. Interest is usually paid on money market instrument at the maturity, on request, twice in a year, annually. None of these. These are the options. Correct answer is interest in the money market instrument paid at the time of maturity. Maturity पर interest paid होता है. Money market instruments की बात होती है. So major money market instruments are treasury bills, cash management bill. After that your certificate of deposit, right? Certificate of deposit. और क्या है? कमर्शियल पेपर. सो दीज आर द मेजर money market instrument. Repo also including repo. Second question was, which of the following is a fixed income security whose proceeds can be used for eligible new or existing green projects? So that is called green bond. Green bonds are the bonds under which the fund is raised from the market, which can be utilized for the renewable energy project. Third one, the short-term instrument, cash management instrument. This cash management bill was introduced in which year? So cash management bill was introduced in the year 2010. It is an alternative of treasury bill. Whenever treasury bill issued by government of India for the duration up to 90 days, its maturity is up to 90 days. So that is called cash management bill. 99% cash management bill and treasury bill both are same. The difference is treasury bills are available in the market for the maturity period of T91, T182 and T364. These are the 3 maturity periods which are available for the treasury bill at present, while cash management bill maturity period is up to 90 days. ये major difference है दोनों के बीच में. Point clear है? Yes. आगे आ जाइए. आंसर्स हमारे आए TNA हीरोज के. That was धर्माश. अच्छा, नाम थोड़ा सा आप लोग वैसे लिखिए तो आई कैन रीड इट इजीली, राइट? रश, दर्शन, देखो दर्शन ने कितने अच्छे से लिखा हुआ है. एस रॉय, हरिका, मनु, दिव्य, हर्षा, दीपांशु, अजीत, अमन एंड धवल. ओके, पटेल साहब, ऋत्विक, जग्गी दुर्गा राव जी, संदीप, रुद्रा देवी, अथिरा कुमार, नेहा, के पवन, सोनम, रजनीश. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर आंसर्स. सिमरन, रॉय, जॉय, श्रावणी. कल कम आंसर्स क्यों आए थे आप लोगों के? आंसर्स कम थे, कुछ कम आंसर्स आए हैं तो कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम था. ये आई थिंक ऋत्विक का ऑप्शन था. सर कुछ टाइम पहले एनएससी ने निफ्टी टूरिज्म इंडेक्स लॉन्च किया था इंडिया में. सो अभी 30 कंपनीज उसमें लिस्टेड हैं. सो करेंटली 17 कंपनीज हैं. और तो अभी ये वाला कैसे लॉन्च हुआ? सो आई हैव क्लियर्ड द डाउट मैन. ठीक है, डाउट आपका क्लियर हो गया. सर कैश मैनेजमेंट बिल ऑल्सो रिलीज्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. यस, कैश मैनेजमेंट बिल इश्यूज बाय रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन द फेवर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. Exactly same concept like which is applicable to the treasury bill. The only difference is the maturity period. Next question is, which of the following are the causes of demand pull inflation? So which of the following are the causes of demand pull inflation? ये आपके पास एक बढ़िया PO लेवल क्वेश्चन है. IBPS PO, SBI PO, RRB PO लेवल क्वेश्चन. Answer it properly. Next one. Which of the following facilities services not available in the white label ATM? इनमें से क्या facilities white label ATM पर available नहीं होती? Apart from that, do answer. The first white label ATM in India was started by which company? Third one. Reserve Bank of India have announced the 4th cohort under the regulatory sandbox. What is the theme of it? Regulatory sandbox came back to the news in the month of June 2024. So I have picked the question again regarding the regulatory sandbox. So to answer it, yesterday I have requested to all the candidate of PNB, credit officer, those who are waiting for their call letter, please write the mails to the PNB, write likhte raho mail until unless you don't get reply. Become Gandhi ji, that simply write the mail morning, any updates sir, any updates sir. उससे आपका कैंडिडेचर कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे दैट दिस कैंडिडेट वाज writing the mail to us, so we are cancelling the candidature. You have right as a candidate to ask that when we are going to give our interview, we need to prepare for RRB, PO, RRB, clerk and IBPS, and IBPS PO notification will be announced mostly by this week or next week. और ये आ रहा है आपका IBPS PO का notification. Now how you are going to focus until unless your interview will not be completed, so you will get stuck in that cycle, right? तो याद रखना ये चीज, मेल करो सारे लोग. प्रमोशन वगैरह नहीं करूंगा आज, कोई नहीं बोलूंगा कूपन कोड के बारे में, नहीं बोलूंगा कि कूपन कोड आदित्य यूज करो, बिल्कुल नहीं बोलूंगा. नो प्रमोशन टुडे. चलो आगे आ जाओ. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट आओ, न्यूज पर चलते हैं. तो न्यूज नंबर 1 है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया से रिलेटेड, आरबीआई से रिलेटेड न्यूज है. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया परमिट the use of brickwork rating subject to the condition. Brickwork rating subject to the condition. अच्छा, क्या है brickwork rating का issue? So brickwork rating have provided the rating. See, every bank need ratings. Like recently we read a news that Moody have given the rating to Yes Bank from stable to positive. ये पढ़ा हमने headlines में. We are going to discuss in detail. So Moody is a credit rating agency. They are rating to Yes Bank from stable to positive. Now stable to positive rating, what does it mean? It means now the investors, those who invested money in Yes Bank, will have more interest, will have more confidence that one of the very famous credit rating agency have given the rating to positive side, that bank is in positive direction. Bank is not only stable bank now, bank is a growing bank. So now we can make investment into the bank. So people will buy more equity, customers will deposit more money, they will have more confidence over the bank based on this credit rating. I hope you are getting my point. बोलो yes or no, आंसर करते हुए चलना. ठीक है, yes, समझ में आ रहा है? So different rating agencies have their different rating standards. Few will offer one that AAA plus, someone will provide AA, triple A rating, triple B rating. So that different rating agencies have their different standards to provide the rating. Like Moody is offering like positive, stable, and this one stable, positive, negative. So that is their format. That is not a matter. Rating agency means they analyze your complete portfolio, they analyze your performance, and based on your performance give you rating. This is what the task of credit rating agency. Like your class teacher, at the time of your school, after your weekly test, they were giving you certain rating, and that rating you have to submit to your parents for the signature. So you are getting the rating from your class teacher. Now for example, your class teacher find you are a very good student, even your marks are coming less, but your behavior in the class is good, so they were giving you good rating just based on not on your academics, on your behavior. So based on your academics you are not getting the good based on your academics you are not getting the good rating. Your parents will get confused that you are good in studies or not. Similar case, if credit rating agencies are not providing the ratings with the transparency, and if there is any problem in the rating, investors, customers will get confused and they may invest or put up their fund in a wrong bank. Same thing was done by brickwork rating around 2-3 years back. From the last 2 years, the Reserve Bank of India said no to this bank to provide the rating agency or to provide the rating to the banking industry. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है मेरा पॉइंट? क्लियर हो रहा है? तो आरबीआई ने 2 years बैक इसको मना कर दिया था कि आप रेटिंग नहीं प्रोवाइड करोगे बैंक्स को. नाउ आरबीआई सेड ओके, बेस्ड ऑन योर करंट इंप्रूवमेंट we will allow you that okay you can provide the rating to banking industry. अब provide करो, bank can take the rating from you and that rating will be acceptable but up to a certain guideline. Now what are that guideline which will create the question in your examination? So new rating mandate, bank can obtain the rating from Brickwork Rating. Brickwork Rating is a Bangalore based company. Bangalore based company, Indian company है. So Brickwork Rating for the bank loan not exceeding 250 crore rupee. 250 crore rupee. So the banks which have not provided the lending facility more than 250 crore, these banks can be rated by Brickwork, not the bigger banks. Those who have their lending of around 5,000, 10,000, 40,000, 50,000 crore, 1 lakh crore, 2 lakh crore rupee lending in the market, they cannot provide. These banks cannot get the rating from this Brickwork. So इनको क्या कर दिया? Limited कर दिया. With the limited small banks, you can do the rating facility, not with the larger bank, bigger banks like Yes Bank, HDFC, ICICI, SBI. These banks will be out of your reach. तो ये पहला पॉइंट कर दिया है. दूसरा, existing rating surveillance. Brickwork Rating may undertake the rating of existing rating surveillance. So the banks which are there under the Brickwork at present, which were there from the last contract, they will be able to continue until the tenure of the loans. तो ऐसे लोन्स जिनको रेट करना है, द लोन्स विच आर ऑलरेडी अंडर द ट्रैक अंडर दिस Brickwork, these loans, the loans which have started 10 years back, 15 years back, and they are under the tracking of Brickwork, they will continue till their tenure. तो पुराने वाले आप कंटिन्यू कर लो, नए लोन्स को आप टच नहीं करोगे. न्यू लोन्स यू कैन नॉट टच, और द लोन अमाउंट मोर देन 250 करोड़ यू कैन नॉट टच. ये कुछ पॉइंट्स यहां पर हैं. 250 करोड़ वाला डेटा याद रखना है आपको. तो 250 करोड़ वाला डेटा आपको याद रखना है. इट इज गोइंग टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो फर्स्ट न्यूज था. Okay, important news है. Mostly you will be able to get the question based on that. Which of the following rating agency got recently approved by Reserve Bank of India? Answer will be Brickwork. Brickwork headquarter Bengaluru. It was started in the year 2008. 2008 में start हुआ था ये. एक है आपके पास न्यूज रिगार्डिंग WHO. World Health Organization has introduced online platform called May Davis is the name of this platform, that is Medical Device Information System. First global open access clearing house for the information on the medical devices. So different type of medical devices are available in the market at the different level. So all these devices information will be available on this platform called May Davis. So this May Davis is a platform launched by which organization? WHO. What is this platform? This is a platform which is a medical device information system. So information of 2,301 type of medical devices, different range of health issues, simplifying the device selection, procurement process, everything will be available on this platform. तो इन्होंने एक platform launch कर दिया है. This platform will have information, the process to procure, the way how to procure means how to buy, how to purchase. So that facility will also be available on this platform. So you can simplify the device. You can understand based on your need what are the requirement of, or what are the requirement this device is able to complete. Every detail will be available on this May Davis. May Davis full form, launched by which organization? So WHO. Is my point clear? Yes. एक बार बैंक रेट रेपो रेट बता दूं. ठीक है तुषार, मुझे टाइम दीजिएगा थोड़ा सा. आज के न्यूज तो ऐसे हैं, आने दीजिए थोड़ा सा. न्यूज आएंगे अभी, बहुत जल्दी आएंगे. रेपो रेट, रिवर्स रेपो रेट वाले न्यूज मैं करवाऊंगा अच्छे से. फिर उस दिन वही करना पड़ेगा. बाकी न्यूज को थोड़ा सा एक दिन के लिए ऑफ करके फिर रेपो रेट, रिवर्स रेपो रेट डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. शॉर्ट में मैं अभी बता दूंगा, कोई चैलेंज नहीं है. शॉर्ट में समझना हो तो 1 सेकेंड का टाइम लगेगा आपको. Reserve Bank of India is known as the bankers to the bank. Banks are allowed to borrow, lending or deposit money with RBI or to take money from RBI. So banks are borrowing loans from RBI. Banks are borrowing loans from RBI. So there are basically 2-3 rate of interest at which the lending facility is available. One is repo rate. Banks can borrow loan from repo rate. These loans are available for short duration up to 90 days. So whenever any bank is borrowing loan for the duration up to 90 days, the rate of interest applicable over that loan is called repo rate. So repo rate क्या है? जिस पर बैंक आरबीआई से लोन ले रहा है कितने टाइम के लिए? अप टू 90 डेज. सेकंड बन रहा है आपके पास बैंक रेट. So bank rate is the rate of interest. Bank rate is the rate of interest at which bank can borrow the loan from RBI for more than 90 days. तो more than 90 days के लिए अगर लोन borrow कर रहा है तो वो हो गया आपका बैंक रेट. ये हो गया आपके दो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. एक और बनता है MSF, मार्जिनल स्टैंडिंग फैसिलिटी. मार्जिनल स्टैंडिंग फैसिलिटी इज द फैसिलिटी where bank can borrow overnight loan, emergency loan from the Reserve Bank of India. So that is MSF. अभी यहां पर डिपॉजिट्स रेट भी आते हैं. बैंक कैन ऑल्सो डिपॉजिट देयर फंड, बैंक कैन डिपॉजिट देयर मनी इन RBI. तो यहां पर आपके रेट आते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिवर्स रेपो रेट एंड SDF, स्टैंडिंग डिपॉजिट फैसिलिटी. तो रिवर्स रेपो रेट इज द रेट एट विच अ बैंक कैन डिपॉजिट मनी इन RBI, and against this deposit RBI will provide rate of interest plus government securities, which can be utilized as SLR. SDF is a standing deposit facility which bank can deposit money in RBI at a higher rate of interest without government securities. So SDF does not support in the maintenance of SLR, while reverse repo rate support in the maintenance of SLR. तो ये हो गया आपके पास पॉइंट. क्लियर है सर? मैंने कोशिश की फटाफट से समझाने की. आगे आ जाएं. अरे करंट परसेंटेज तो बेटा आप आरबीआई का वेबसाइट ओपन करोगे, वहां पर सारे परसेंटेज आपको करंट वाले मिलेंगे. साइड में ही ब्लॉक आ जाता है, वो तो इजीली चेक हो सकता है. टर्म पता था, मैं तो टर्म समझाने बैठ गया. चलिए वापस आइए. सो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया न्यूज को कवर करते हैं क्विकली. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इंट्रोड्यूस द ऑनलाइन लोन फैसिलिटी अगेंस्ट द म्यूचुअल फंड यूनिट वाया इंटरनेट बैंकिंग एंड यूनो एप्लीकेशन. सो द म्यूचुअल फंड हाउस इन इंडिया, इफ आई एम an investor in mutual fund and I am looking for a loan quickly, I need a collateral. Everyone understand what is the meaning of collateral? Collateral meaning is I need a loan of 10,000 rupee, and what I am doing is I am asking you that you can take my mobile phone and against this mobile give me 10,000 rupee. The day I'll return your money, you can return my phone back to me. So this phone is acting as a collateral here. So State Bank of India introduced the online, complete digital online lending facility against mutual fund. That is, mutual fund will act as a collateral here. So this type of collateral will be pledged. So mutual fund will be pledged with the State Bank of India, and against this mutual fund SBI will be offering 24/7 online lending facility. I hope the statement is clear. बोलो yes or no? Clear है? हाँ, collateral means गिरवी. बिल्कुल सही है जय कुमार जी. ये वाला पॉइंट क्लियर है. Now the loan facility will be available for the mutual fund schemes, for all the asset under management companies, all the AMCs which are registered with CAMS, all the companies which are registered with CAMS. So CAMS is the online, it is CAMS, stands for Computer Age Management Service. SEBI registered registrar and transfer agency which is maintaining the demat account. It is a type of demat account maintenance company or organization. So CAMS is a online organization which is a organization which maintain the data regarding online demat account, all the demat account data it maintains. So all the asset management companies which are registered with CAMS will be able to offer this facility to their customers now, to their investors now. So as an investor, we can borrow the loan directly from State Bank of India by using mutual fund as a collateral. Recent news is SBI new chairperson is going to be Mr. Chella Srinivasan Sethi sir in place of Dinesh Kumar Khara ji. Naveen Chandra Jha appointed as the new CEO of SBI General Insurance. Mr. Prem Prabhakar appointed as the new CEO of SBI Capital Venture Limited. ये new CEOs हैं, नए appointment है SBI में. SBI total profit is 61,000 crore 77, and consolidated profit including the profit of SBI General Insurance, SBI Mutual Fund, etc., 67,000 crore. SBI given the profit of 6,959 crore rupee to Government of India in the current financial year, highest ever profit shared by any bank till now with the Government of India. SBIs have planned to open 400 new branches in the current financial year with the across the nation to increase their availability, to increase their network in India. SBI रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड MSME सहज, MSME सहज रिसेंटली लॉन्च किया था इन्होंने फॉर द MSME इनवॉइसिंग. Border Security Force recently collaborated with State Bank of India to launch Grow with the Tree Plantation campaign at BSF headquarters in Srinagar within the campus of, with the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya. This collaboration have been done and tree plantation drive was conducted. तो ये हो गया आपके पास पॉइंट रिलेटेड टू स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन द रीसेंट टाइम. बोलो यस और नो, क्लियर है? नो 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 नो, ऑफरिंग ऑफ 100% लोन का मीनिंग यहां पर ये है, ऑफरिंग 100% पेपरलेस डिजिटल प्रोसेस अवेलेबल एट 24/7. 100% प्रोसेस पेपरलेस एंड डिजिटल. 100% लोन नहीं मिलेगा. 100% प्रोसेस डिजिटल एंड अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. ठीक है, ये मीनिंग है 100% का. क्लियर है? चलो, different bank, Venkatesh, different bank have different benchmarks or loan to value ratio. LTV is not depend on a particular loan that it is applicable across the category. Different bank can decide their loan to value ratio for the different type of loan. ठीक, आगे आ जाओ. That we need to check on SBI website that what is the limit SBI kept. I didn't check actually, and not required also, because every bank have their different limit for the GST invoice that we will be able to. It is around 75 to 85%, not more than that. 75 to 85%. So in between this, you will be able to find the LTP of different banks. Few bank will have 75, 80, 85. Like this, you will be able to find the LTP. ठीक है? Point clear है? Yes. Yeah, Vihari have a question that mutual funds are subject to market risk. How the margin? That is why a bank is going to keep higher margin. At least bank will be keeping the margin of around 30 to 40%. So not more than 70% bank is going to provide in the form of, means there will be higher haircut of 30 to 40% will be there in such type of loan where the loan is provided against the mutual fund as a collateral. Mutual fund agar, because it is not a case like it is a new thing. Bank do provide loan against equity. Banks do provide loan against equity. They keep the margin of 30 to 40% for this purpose. Different bank have kept 30, 40. तो जिसका जितना रिस्क कैपेबिलिटी है. ठीक है, पॉइंट समझ में आया? चलो आगे मूव करें. So next news is PSU's Public Sector Undertaking Bank recently announced the dividend of 6,481 crore rupee to Government of India. So 4 public sector bank including Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Bank and Bank of India collectively announced 6,481 crore rupee dividend to Government of India, and more than this provided alone by State Bank of India, right? So Finance Minister received the check from each of the Managing Director and CEO. ये सब गए हुए थे. So basically 5 bank visited together to provide the check. तो ये 5 banks थे, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक ये उन्हीं की तरफ से थे from the Ministry of Finance side. So 5 bank visited together actually. One was Exim Bank. Export Import Bank of India have given the dividend of 252 crore rupee. तो एक्सिम बैंक का डिविडेंड था 252 करोड़. आफ्टर दैट कैनरा बैंक डिविडेंड वाज 1800 करोड़. एमडी एंड सीओएस के सत्यनारायण राजू सर, एमडी एंड सीओएस के सत्यनारायण राजू सर, हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड इन बेंगलुरु. बैंक ऑफ बड़ोदरा हेडक्वार्टर वडोदरा गुजरात, देवदत्त चंद सर एमडी एंड सीओ 2500 करोड़ रुपए डिविडेंड बाय बीओबी, इंडियाज इंटरनेशनल बैंक टैगलाइन. इंडियन बैंक Shantilal Jain sir, MD and CEO, Chennai headquarter, your own bank is the tagline. 1,193 crore rupees the dividend. Then Bank of India, Rajneesh Karnataka sir, MD and CEO, 935 crore rupees the dividend. Mumbai Maharashtra headquarter, relationship beyond banking is the tagline. और Exim Bank का मैंने ऑलरेडी बता दिया 252 करोड़ रुपए का आपका डिविडेंड था. 252 करोड़ रुपए का डिविडेंड था. राइट, पॉइंट क्लियर है? बोलो यस और नो. क्लियर? बढ़िया। 3600 अप्रोक्सीमेटली LIC का डिविडेंड है। LIC, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का डिविडेंड था 1.2 लाख करोड़ रुपए। इफ आई एम नो 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 2.1 लाख करोड़ रुपए, 2.1 lakh crore, not 1.2, 2.1 lakh crore, 2.11 lakh crore. That was the dividend of RBI, right? ठीक है ना? चलिए आगे आ जाइए। REC, REC Limited recently raised 31.96 billion Japanese yen for the duration of 5-year green loan. 5-year green loan. So in the form of green loan which can be utilized for the purpose of green financing in India, renewable energy project हो गए, solar energy, wind energy, clean water energy, for such type of project, solar rooftop project, for such type of project, REC Limited raised 31.96 billion Japanese yen from Dasio Bank of branch which is located in Gift City, Gujarat. So Dasio Bank branch which is located in Gift City, Gujarat, approximately $200 million. In term of Japanese yen, it is 31.96 billion Japanese yen. This amount is going to be important, guys. Why? Because it is given in the Japanese yen term, not in the US dollar. So it is going to be important. So Dasio Bank, which is not a Japanese bank, it's a German bank. So Dasio Bank, it is a German multinational bank, headquarter located in Frankfurt, Germany. So bank provided 31.96 billion Japanese yen for the duration of 5 years. REC Limited, it is a subsidiary of Power Finance Corporation. REC Limited became 12 Maharatna company in India. How many Maharatnas are there at present? How many Maharatnas are there at present? बेटा बोथ आर डिफरेंट। REC इज सेम कंपनी, वही है REC। REC लिमिटेड भी लिख देते हैं इसको, REC LTD, सेम है, ये वही कंपनी है REC लिमिटेड, ठीक है, दीप ज्योति। So REC Limited, it is a subsidiary of Power Finance Corporation, 12th Maharatna company it became. It is also managing a GARB application which is able to provide the tracking of solar electrification. CEO is Mr. Vivek Kumar Devgan. 1969 it was formed. Headquarter located in New Delhi. Headquarter कहाँ पर located है? New Delhi में। Total हमारे पास 13 Maharatnas and 21 Navratnas companies are available at present in India. Next news. Punjab National Bank launches safety ring to enhance the security of internet and mobile banking. Now, what exactly the news is all about? So, Punjab National Bank have launched a safety ring. It will offer you an optional feature to decide daily transaction limit. That my daily transaction will not be more than this on the overdraft, on the OD. OD, everyone knows OD. What is the meaning of OD? Overdraft you can avail against your fixed deposit. Overdraft even you can avail based on your previous transactions. If your transactions are good based on your previous transactions, you can avail overdraft facility. Safety ring is the optional feature which is offered by Punjab National Bank recently. So the customer, those who have overdraft against their term deposit, against their FD or RD facility, if someone have availed the overdraft. For example, I have account with Punjab National Bank and I have the overdraft limit of 2 lakh rupee. What I can do is I can set a range that in a day from my overdraft account the limit, the transaction will not be more than 40,000 rupee. So it is a safety that I don't do the transaction more than 40. I'll keep the limit that more than 40 is not allowed, not possible, unless I will not give. In case it is required, I'll give the permission. So only after my permission it will be done. Otherwise, without permission, more than 40,000 rupee transaction will not be done from the overdraft. तो ये इन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली फैसिलिटी लॉन्च किया। बोलो यस और नो, क्लियर है? हाँ, क्या डाउट चल रहा था? और कोई डाउट चल रहा है यहां पर? बाकी सब क्लियर है? प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना 5K to 10K, क्या क्वेश्चन क्या है ये? प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना का क्या क्वेश्चन है? ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी पूछ रहे हैं, 10,000 रुपीज का होता है ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी। ओवरड्राफ्ट पूछ रहे हैं, ओवरड्राफ्ट 10,000 रुपए का है प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना के ऊपर अवेलेबल, विदाउट एनी एश्योरिटी गारंटी 2000 है, एंड आफ्टर अ ड्यूरेशन व्हेन यू आर मेंटेनिंग दिस BSBD अकाउंट, बेसिक सेविंग बैंक डिपॉजिट अकाउंट, up to 10,000 rupee overdraft is available. Punjab National Bank, it is the second largest public sector bank in India in terms of deposit, business growth and volume. Headquarter located, Punjab National Bank headquarter New Delhi, और Mr. A.K. Goyal sir is the चेयरपर्सन ऑफ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. तो पीएनबी के चेयरपर्सन जो हैं वो A.K. गोयल साहब हैं. ठीक है, आगे आ जाइए. Moody revised the outlook on Yes Bank from stable to positive. So this is a great news for Yes Bank. Yes Bank is going to see good growth in the market in terms of equity investment also, in terms of deposit size also, in terms of lending also. So their growth will increase by this change in rating. Now their rating came to positive. So this rating have been updated by Moody. Yes Bank is a bank founded in the year 2004. Mr. Prashant Kumar is the CEO, and Prashant Kumar is the same person who took Yes Bank from the situation when Yes Bank was standing at bank run. एक समय था जब Yes Bank बैंक रन पे खड़ा हुआ था. बैंक रन मीन्स when bank is running out of cash, running out of liquidity, फंड से नहीं है, क्या करें. And from there to today's situation when bank again came back to the टॉप 5 टॉप 6 प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक्स इन इंडिया, जहां पर वापस आकर ही उसने अपना मार्केट अपना जमा लिया. रिसेंटली यस बैंक हैव लॉन्च्ड यस ग्रैंडोर. इन्होंने भी कुछ टाइम पहले यस ग्रैंडोर लॉन्च किया था. सो यस ग्रैंडोर वाज आल्सो लॉन्च्ड बाय यस बैंक फ्यू डेज बिफोर. पॉइंट क्लियर है. एसबीआई ने काफी सपोर्ट किया है, करेक्ट आंसर है. एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर थे एसबीआई के, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के, ये भी करेक्ट है. अपॉइंटमेंट में है रिसेंटली एग्रीकल्चर, नहीं गलती से मैंने यहां पर डाल दिया है, एग्रीकल्चर लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2024 अनाउंस्ड बाय नागालैंड. नागालैंड को अभी रिसेंटली अनाउंस किया गया है एग्रीकल्चर लीडरशिप अवार्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर. सो 2-3 days बिफोर वी रेड अ न्यूज दैट द बेस्ट एग्रीकल्चर अवार्ड गिवन टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट. आपको याद है क्वेश्चन हमने डिस्कस किया था, बेस्ट एग्रीकल्चर अवार्ड वाज गिवन टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट. ऑप्शंस वगैरह भी मैंने आपको दिए थे. So, Best Agriculture Award 2024 was given to Maharashtra. But Best Agriculture Award in the category of horticulture, Best Agriculture Award in the field of horticulture, horticulture के field में, that is given to Nagaland. So, Best Agriculture Award in the field of horticulture given to Nagaland. Best Agriculture Award was given to Maharashtra. Only agriculture पूछेगा, आंसर करेंगे Maharashtra. In the field of horticulture पूछेगा, then answer will be Nagaland. Nagaland achieve geographical indication registrations for 3 horticulture crop, that is Naga mircha, Naga tree tomato and Naga sweet cucumber. इन तीनों को GI टैग दिया गया है. Nagaland, Kohima is the capital and La Ganeshan sir is the governor. Nifu Rio is the chief minister at present. ये पॉइंट हो गया. हॉर्टिकल्चर में फ्रूट्स भी आते हैं, फ्रूट्स भी आते हैं आपके, और भी कुछ वेजिटेबल्स भी आते हैं. टमेटो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर. तो टमेटो आपका वेजिटेबल का पार्ट नहीं होता एक्चुअली, वो हॉर्टिकल्चर में आता है. ठीक है, तो ये हॉर्टिकल्चर. चलिए आगे मूव करें नेक्स्ट पॉइंट की तरफ. सो रक्षा राष्ट्रीय मंत्री, राज्य मंत्री, that is Sanjay Seth launches GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nourishing Scheme, that is called GAIN 2024. So one scheme have been launched recently. The challenge for you, the scheme launched and the full form created, you should learn it. So GAIN 2024 scheme launched by the State Minister of Defense, Mr. Sanjay Seth. Scheme full form is GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nourishing Scheme. This is a scheme which is launched for the purpose of MSMEs and startups. Scheme क्या है वो समझा देता हूं एक लाइन में. GRSE is the organization which is involved in the field of shipbuilding, ship manufacturing in India. So GRSE work headquarter located in Kolkata, and this company work for the as a ship manufacturer. Now for the ship manufacturing, they need the raw material, they need a small component, equipment, all of them they will acquire from MSMEs and startups. तो ये छोटे छोटे जो इनको इक्विपमेंट या कंपोनेंट्स चाहिए होते हैं इन द शिप बिल्डिंग, they will acquire it from Indian MSMEs and Indian startups, so they will also get the business. This is all GAIN 2024 scheme is. I hope it is clear. बोलो yes or no. क्लियर है? ठीक है. ये देखो फ्रूट पंच जी बैठे हुए हैं, फ्रूट पंच समराइज देयर। आप मुझसे हॉर्टिकल्चर के बारे में पूछ रहे थे, इनसे पूछिए, नाम ही रखा हुआ है फ्रूट पंच समुराई, बहुत शानदार। चलिए बताइए फ्रूट पंच जी, पूरा बता दीजिए हॉर्टिकल्चर के बारे में, अभी क्लास चालू ना हो जाए पूरी हॉर्टिकल्चर के ऊपर। चलिए आगे आते हैं अगले न्यूज की तरफ। देयर इज अ स्टार्टअप, बेंगलुरु बेस्ड स्टार्टअप कॉल्ड विद्युत। विद्युत, so this is a Bangalore based startup, electric mobility startup called Vidyut. Vidyut launches offline pre-owned electric vehicle sale financing platform. If you want to buy second hand electric vehicle over the loan facility, vehicle will be available by the Vidyut. So Vidyut is a platform which offer the sale of second hand electric mobility. Till now they were in 3-wheeler 4-wheeler segment, now they are moving to 2-wheeler segment also. अभी ये 2-wheeler segment में भी move कर रहे हैं, सारे segment में आ रहे हैं. So Bangalore based electric mobility startup called Vidyut announced ऑफलाइन प्री ओन्ड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल सेल फाइनेंसिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। ऑफलाइन का मतलब दे विल सेट अप द मार्केट। आपने देखा होगा ना कार बाजार वगैरह के जो शॉप्स होते हैं, सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ, दे विल सेट अप देयर यार्ड, यू कैन विजिट द यार्ड, यू कैन सिलेक्ट द इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल and from there you can buy. If you need the finance facility, that is also available. तो finance का facility भी available है. So currently these services will be available, these offline centers will be available in Delhi NCR, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So 3 cities में ये launch करने जा रहे हैं, 3 शहरों में ये launch करने जा रहे हैं. Point clear है? Used car का market correct है, correct है. रिपोर्ट एंड रैंकिंग पर आते हैं. वियतनाम टॉप द लिस्ट मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल कंट्री फॉर द एक्सपेक्ट्स, दैट इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट नेशन. So if I'm visiting Vietnam, I'm expect for them. So for the people, those who are from the different nation, the most affordable nation is Vietnam for settling down. So Vietnam is the most affordable nation. The rank of India is 6th. If I'm not wrong, India is on 6th position. So Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Panama, Philippines, 5th, top 5. 6th affordable nation is India. India का ranking है 6th. Bottom पर है आपके पास Canada. So Canada is the most expensive country for such type of people. Still we go Canada. Most of the Indians want to go Canada and get settled down in Canada. तो वियतनाम आपका सबसे ज्यादा मतलब जो कंट्री है अफोर्डेबल है, और इंडिया 6th नंबर पर है, कैनेडा इज कॉस्टली. This is done from my side for the day, guys. I'll be meeting you back. I will be meeting you back in the next session. Please like the session. Your likes are very important. It takes less than a second to click on the like button, but only once. बार बार like नहीं होता है, एक ही बार होता है. Please like the session, share with your friends so they can also join us. So today it was Friday, right? Correct हूँ ना मैं? Today it was Friday. So now tomorrow we'll have Saturday and weekly MCQ session will be done. So be connected with me over the Telegram. If you have not joined the Telegram group, you can connect with me with Aditya sir OB. और जो हमने आदित्य सर जी है, नया जो हमने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप लॉन्च किया है आपका, उसको ज्वाइन करिए. ऑलिवबोर्ड का टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट ऑल द अपडेट रिगार्डिंग द सेशन ओवर देयर, PDF as well. Thank you for joining the